Hola, welcome back to Kim at Home. I'm Kim, K-Y-M, in case you are new. This is my home. Today we're going to get started out in my bathroom as well as my bedroom. The first thing I want to start out with in this bathroom are my mirrors. I'm going to wipe the entire mirror off and show you what it looks like. Just to clarify what I mean by the entire mirror, it's including the black part that's on my mirror as well. When you're cleaning in a specific room, start out high, meaning start out at the top of whatever you need to clean, whether it be like walls or something like that, and then work your way down. Remember, the dirt and the dust is going to fall toward the ground.
Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood.
When cleaning in the bathroom, I typically like to use things that are disposable. Paper towels, Clorox wipes, but you know I gotta include my vinegar with it because vinegar is an amazing cleaner, it's a disinfectant, and it does not leave streaks.
No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon. We'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark.
If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home, and in my videos, I like to do all kinds of things pertaining to home, whether it be cleaning, cooking, doing projects, painting. Really, it's anything that pertains to home life. If my channel sounds like something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button before you leave out and show that like button some love as well. That way you will be a part of my YouTube family, and we are called the Keep Up Crew. This bathtub is super dusty. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but you will be able to tell when I clean it out. I'm sure you're wondering, how long has that dust been sitting in her bathtub? That's like 4 days. That's it. My house is dusty. I live in a dust bucket. I've tried everything in the world to not live in a dust bucket, but unfortunately I do. There's nothing I can do about it. It is what it is. When cleaning your bathtub, it's not only cleaning the inside, it's also cleaning the outside and on top, you know, like where your faucet is and where it meets the floor. All of that collects dust as well.
If we come clean, don't let me think back. Give me what I need.
It's so funny because when you walk in my bathroom, it looks like it's clean, right? And then when I showed you all that dust, you see that it's not clean. Looks can definitely be deceiving. Now that everything has been wiped down, I need to sweep and mop. Remember, the dirt falls to the ground, so you definitely want to get that swept up. After using your dustpan, it's a great idea to disinfect it. I'm going to wipe it with a Lysol wipe. And when doing this, you will definitely want to wipe the entire thing. So in order to do my floors today, I don't feel like walking downstairs and getting the mop. So I'm going to use this sponge. It's a very brand new sponge. I'm simply soaking the sponge in hot water, and I will also use vinegar to get the floor cleaned.
Around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love.
I just realized I forgot to clean the door off, so I'm going to get that handled right now. The door wasn't bad at all. I tend to wipe these quite often.
No guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy? Thinking of you.
Looking good, feeling good.
Get like this. It's something about you.
Nice and shiny, sparkly clean, as well as the mirrors and the door. The bathtub looks so much better. It's dust-free for probably about 24 hours.
Like this.
When's the last time you cleaned your fan off? Check out how hairy mine is. Yes, you heard me right. It looks hairy to me. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm cleaning my fan this way and not like catching the hair, dust, whatever you want to call it, with a plastic bag. Let me just tell you that feather dusters are your friend. There was hardly any dust on my floor because that's how good they work.
Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are
Be sure when you're dusting your lamp to turn the light off first.
keep waiting. so dizzy thinking of you. I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this.
Before placing your items back on the dresser, be sure to wipe those off as well.
No, get like this. Get like this.
I'm not really sure how long ago my desk was cleaned, so I want to work on that right now. Anytime you are cleaning a surface, make sure you take everything off the surface first and then wipe.
It's all I got, I'm dreaming. Or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool.
Tiffany from All Things Tiffany Nicole, O from I put the O in Mom, and myself have Friday night lives, not every Friday, and in the event that we need to skip a Friday, we will let you know. But make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you can check us out. We have such a great time together. I will link their information below in the description box.
I don't usually get like this.
I'd like to point out how there are no clothes in this chair, and normally there are. So everything in my room is nice, wiped off, clean, dusted, all that great stuff. We got some good vacuum lines. These need cleaned off, and I'm also gonna wash a load of clothes because my husband is not here. Kari is 10, so I guess I have to be the one to do it. I know how to wash clothes. I bet you do know how to wash clothes, but that's like child labor or something. I could get arrested for that. Leave a comment down below if you use vinegar when washing clothes. It's a great disinfectant, it controls odors, and it can also be used as a fabric softener.
Holding back your love. Babe, I'm about to cry. I can't take it anymore. Why can't you let me know? Let me know where we at. 'Cause we don't got forever.
I'm going to start with separating these clothes to figure out who they belong to and where they go.
This feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in. So don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure.
So Kari came to my rescue and put some of the clothes away for me. These are my husband's clothes. Moving right along to my stairwell area, I like to use the Method Degreaser because, you know, when people put their arms on the railing or on, in this case, on like whatever that thing's called that I'm wiping down, because there's a railing on the other side, it gets like really oily, like from the oils of their skin, the lotion, whatever they're wearing. So the degreaser is best for this. How are you doing today? I hope you are well, and I hope you are in good health. If you have the winter blues and you're feeling a little anxious or depressed, just know that trouble don't last always. You are a survivor, you are a warrior, you are a champion, and you will get through this. This too shall pass.
This to stop, I'm giving in. So don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure.
I'm going to do a really quick tidy in this bathroom. This bathroom belongs to my two daughters, so they keep it clean. But you know, sometimes mama got to get in there like once a month to hook it up. And if you're curious, my oldest is 20 and my youngest is 10.
Twice. If you're not even sure, you're right. Be nice. Be nice. Oh. This feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go, let me in.
Am I the only person that does a handy dandy sink floss? Leave a comment down below. For me, I feel like it's necessary because my fingers are kind of chunky and I cannot fit my fingers through there, so the floss gets everything cleaned.
If you're
much better. There are no more streaks. This is my kids' bathroom, so I am not going to clean out the bathtub. They can do that. They are 20 and 10. This is my third bathroom. It's a half bath and it just really needs a good wipe down. I have not been cleaning the toilets on camera because I know people are very sensitive to that, even though you know a bathroom has a toilet, right? I just want to put that out there, okay? When cleaning your sink after you clean the inside of it, don't use that same cloth or towel to clean anything else because there's so much bacteria in your sink. It's really, really gross. You don't want to spread that around.
Like a part of you has gone missing.
The dinner that I made today, this is a hit in my house, you guys. Like, every time I make it, I put different things in it, but it's really, really good. And my family's eating vegetables. That's all that matters, okay? That's all. Here's the mess. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these dishes cleaned up and wipe down the counters in my kitchen.
You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard.
The dish detergent that I'm using is Method. However, I do prefer Mrs. Meyer's. It works better, but Dawn works better than them all. Just saying. When you're cleaning any kind of item, whether it be pots, pans, the back of plates, whatever the case may be, clean the entire thing. Like, it's really important. Think about it. Your hands have been touching it. You probably had grease or something on your hands, some kind of food particle when you were cooking, so you'll definitely want to wipe the entire thing off. You would be surprised how many people do not do that. The handles need love too. I mean, I'm just saying.
I'm sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding.
For cleaning on the inside of the sink, I'm going to use the Method dish soap as well as good old vinegar. Y'all know, if you've been here for a while, I love me some vinegar. Period, to the point, to the blank.
I'm standing on a cliff side while you tumble way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go. Let go. We gotta let go.
I have not wiped the table off yet because Amazon came. I have goodies. I'm excited. I get so excited when I get an Amazon box. Am I the only person? Leave a comment down below. Okay, so I wanted to change some things up in my kitchen and in my living room. I absolutely love these. They are so beautiful. I found them on Amazon. I will link them below just in case you're interested.
Let go.
Of course, in good Kim fashion, none of these items really stayed in the place that they are right now being displayed. I did change some things around in the kitchen, so yeah, that's just something that I normally do. I like to put things in a place, wait for 24 hours to make sure I like it, love it, want some more of it, and if I don't, I move it.
This town is quiet when it's late here. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell.
Literally took me probably about 10 minutes, if that, but I did not sweep or anything like that, so but everything looks really good. And my sink really looks good too. Let me show you that. And also make sure you're drying your sink out after you clean it. It conserves the life of your sink. I say it in every. I'm so glad I cooked because I worked up an appetite, but I'd like to thank all of you for being here. I really appreciate you so much. Make sure that you're saying your affirmations. Look in the mirror and say, I am fearfully and wonderfully made, because you are. Thank you so much for being here. Bye guys.